You're most welcome to my YouTube channel today. My name is Calvin Click. I'm here to share with you an update on the ongoing arbitrage opportunity right here. Okay, if you're here and you enjoy making money online in the financial markets, that's say cryptocurrencies, stock markets, and forex market, please stick here, subscribe, like this video, share and comment so that you can be able to see more videos like this one. Don't forget to tap the notification button so as when I release a new video you'll be able to get it on your phone right there. Okay, before we get started, I want to tell you that these arbitrage opportunities, the arbitrage opportunities don't usually last longer. They usually last temporarily. So if you see it, you have to check it out and make calculations before you get started. So with that being said, an arbitrage opportunity, all you know that arbitrage trading is just a matter of finding an opportunity in the price differences and you utilize that opportunity. You find out a price difference of the same asset but on different platforms. It can even be on the same platform but from different sellers and buyers. So an arbitrage opportunity means it's just when somebody talks about arbitrage trading, it's just a matter of finding an opportunity in the market where the same asset is traded at different prices, so you can buy it low and sell it at a higher price and you get that advantage. They're usually rare in the market, but when you find them, they're a good source of money. Okay, so let's get that. Today we're going to be using the arbitrage opportunity. Everybody must be having this. Before we get started, must be having Luno. And if you don't have Luno is a crypto wallet, a digital asset wallet which stores cryptocurrencies. If you don't have Luno wallet, I'm putting a link in my description, and please go and download the Luno wallet and enjoy this arbitrage opportunity. Okay, so after getting Luno, we're going to get the top world most exchange, crypto exchange, which is Binance. Is here. If you don't have Binance still, I'm getting a link down there below so you can download the Binance application. It's the top and the number one world crypto exchange. So if you don't have it, you can please use the link in my description and download this beautiful application so you can engage in this arbitrage opportunity. Without wasting time, let's get started. So I'm tapping in Binance first. Actually, I had to do this. Yeah, this is Binance. I don't know if I'm still logged in. Yeah, I'm still logged in. So network is a bit poor, but it is okay. Okay, right now, as you're seeing the Bitcoin and Ethereum prices, you're seeing them right now. You're seeing Solana, SHIB. These are one of the hot and some of my favorites. So as we get started, I want to show you something. Okay, as you can all see, the price of BTC is 74 million.373. It's always changing, so it's around 74 million Uganda shillings. In dollars, it is 20,008 USD dollars, as you understand. So that's around 74 million in Uganda shillings. Okay, when you see that, when you tap there in BTC, you can see under spot trading that you can buy this one BTC at about 74 million. Okay, so when we go to our Luno, this is Luno wallet. So when you go to Luno wallet, let me first put in my pin very fast. When you go to Luno, you'll find out that, let's go to BTC. You find out that BTC, it is at 82.458 thousand million. You understand? So it is at 82 and above million, 82 million and above. You understand? That's a huge price difference. That's a huge price difference. You understand? That's a huge price difference. Understand? So if you are trying on the calculator, let's see. This is let me see if I can copy the price. I cannot copy it. So let's see, let me put it manually. It is 82632. Let's use this 826 6 what 632,000 632,000. You understand? That's the Bitcoin price on Luno. So now we want to see on Binance, how is it? So on Binance, on Binance you're going to take 74,331. Sorry, it's changing, but let's take that 74 million 3. Let's see, 317,317.5, then 74, as you can see, point what, it had a point somewhere, so it's 0.75. So you see that there is a difference of, this is too much. This is really too much. No, I did a mistake here, sorry. Yeah, there is a price difference of 8 million Uganda shillings. That's a huge price difference, and you can carry out this arbitrage all over the world, in the different parts of the world, because it's just a matter of getting Luno downloaded. You download Binance and you'll be able to find out in every country, wherever you are. It's just a matter of getting Binance and Luno and calculate using your own currency. Today I'm using Uganda shilling because I'm in Uganda right now. But if you're in Kenya, Tanzania, you're in USA, you're in everywhere you are, you can carry out this arbitrage opportunity, because there is a huge price difference between the Luno and Binance exchange. As you see, there's a difference of over 8 million Ugandan shillings. I don't know what it will be in your country, in Naira, in Kenyan shilling, in Ghana shilling, in whatever currency you're holding. The difference, I'm sure it's there. This arbitrage is worldwide, unlimited arbitrage opportunity. Okay, as you have all seen that, and somebody might be asking, how can I do this arbitrage? Okay, first of all, I have already a video showing how to buy USDT using peer-to-peer. But if you didn't see the video, you can check it out, or what you have to do is just to come here where you see the word P2P trading, so you click P2P trading. So when you click P2P trading, first of all you have to buy BTC. You have to buy USDT. So as you can see, there are different buyers. For example, this one is the cheapest. And he starts at this one is the cheapest. Is at 3738. Is the cheapest because it's on top. His completion rate is 100%. He has so far carried out 315 trades, so you can trust this person. So what you're supposed to be doing, his limit is starting from 150,000. You understand? So if you have that amount of money, you just have to come here and press buy. When you press buy, you put in buy crypto. I'll give an example of 100 USDT. If you begin with 100 USDT, you have to spend around 373,800 on buying USDT worth 100 USDT. So if you're buying, you continue. Remember, there are always no fees, and there will never be fees when you're trading P2P. Never pay the higher than the amount stated while trading on P2P. No fees attached, no any additional cost should be attached. If it is 100 USDT you're buying, it's worth 373,800, good to go. good to go. Buy that, pay that exact amount. We had forgotten to check, his payment method is cheaper cash, and cheaper cash is available to all African countries, so you can always download cheaper cash here. You can download cheaper cash and use that payment method to pay this person. If you don't have cheaper cash, I'll attach a link in my description so you can download cheaper cash and start transacting money anywhere in the world. Okay, so after buying USDT, you will come to a place here where you see the word, where you see more, where you see here more. You understand? After buying USDT, it will be in your funding wallet, so you'll come to more and go to a function which is called convert. It is always here, as you have already seen it, some of you. It's here, convert. It's always here, convert. So after that, you go to convert, then you convert your, I'm doing a simulation, you understand? This is not, I'm not engaging in a live trade, so I'm just showing you what to do. So you convert your USDT to BTC, right? It's already there. So you put like 100 USDT. You put 100 USDT, then you preview conversion, and if you have money, you will definitely have converted your USDT to BTC. You understand? So you'll be having this amount of BTC in your wallet. You understand? In your wallet, in your funding wallet, you'll be having this amount of BTC. So as we have said, after buying, after converting to USDT, your USDT to BTC, then you'll have to come to wallet. Then where there is, you go to funding, your BTC will be showing here. So now what is next? Now after getting your BTC in your wallet, there is this option of withdraw. You understand? Of withdraw, because we have bought at a cheaper price, so we want to sell at a higher price on Luno platform. You understand? Yeah. So when you tap on withdraw crypto, it's laying us. Okay, when you tap on withdraw crypto, you will come to this option which says BTC. You understand? BTC. Then you tap BTC. When you tap BTC, they will ask you via a crypto network. Yes, we have to use a crypto network when doing this. You tap on a crypto network. So what you're going to do before you do anything else, before you withdraw this BTC, you have to get the address on which it's going to reach. You understand? Reach Luno. So let me put my pin again. As you can see, we want to receive BTC. You understand? We have to receive BTC. Okay, sorry, you have to receive BTC. So when you go to BTC, they're showing you actually the price has gone lower, but still it is profitable. You understand? It is at 76, but still is profitable, because remember I've told you arbitrage, it's very you have to be very fast, because prices are live, they move very fast. You understand? So today it is at 76 million, the other side it is at 74 million. Still there is a difference of 4 million. You understand? A difference of 4 million. So you have to be very fast when doing this. So you come to wallets, then say you come, after coming to wallet, you press receive here, because you want to receive, and after we sell. You understand? So when you tap receive, you have to create a receiving address of BTC. You understand? So you put anything here, you put anything you want, anything like a name or an email or anything, and this what you have put here, it is the same thing you're going to copy and paste. You copy and paste here as address on BTC on Binance, such that you can get your BTC that is on Binance and go to Luno. So when you put the address here, the network you choose BTC, but you cannot, as you see, this is BTC, you choose BTC, the amount you put max, all the BTC that you'll be having in your wallet, you press max, as you can see here. I don't know if you're seeing it, but it is here, max, the whole BTC you want to sell it. Network is selected from here, the address you put it here, the one you will copy from Luno to this place, you understand. So it will be sent from spot and funding wallet, yes, available now 0 BTC. So remember, they will always they can after putting on all these, they will always charge like $1, no, like 0.02 USDT, or like $1, or like in form of BTC, you understand. There will always be a small charge which will not even affect this arbitrage opportunity. There is be almost very small. It's like 1% or even less than 1% of the money. And if you have been using Binance for some good time, you will see that you will be having free network fees, like you'll be charged 0 fees while trading BTC. But if you're new to Binance, you'll have to be charged a small fee. Okay, so after the money, after putting the address, will take a little bit small time, then it will arrive in your wallet. Definitely when it is on Luno, you come to wallets. I hope you're seeing where wallets is. You come to wallets here. This is the wallet, sorry. This thing is okay, let me put it here. So you can see here is rewards, but we want to go to wallets, you understand, wallets. Then after wallets, you go to BTC. Your BTC, since now we have 0, so but when it has reached your Luno wallet, it will be showing here the amount of money. For example, you have used 100 USDT, which was worth like 370 something UGX. You will be seeing it here in form of BTC here. So but since now we have not yet made a transaction, so you'll come to this part, your BTC. After seeing your BTC in Luno wallet, it will take some few minutes, then you come to sell. When you press sell, you come to sell, you understand. When you come to sell, but since I don't have money there, I cannot sell anything. But when you have money here, you definitely come to sell and choose the payment option that you would wish for, and therefore you will have made money from this arbitrage opportunity. Thank you for watching, and if you ever feel like you want more of these arbitrage opportunities, I'll be posting 2 to 3 videos a week on this YouTube channel. So just subscribe and make sure you like, comment. If you find out anything that you would like to suggest or tell me, or if you have tried these arbitrage opportunities and they worked, please comment with a thumbs up. And if you've tried and you see that there are changes, please comment them in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.